Yeah, it's cold outside, right? You can see that when I'm sitting here very comfortable by my chimney. It's very cozy here. So, but this is not a chimney video today. If you know my work, you know I'm very passionate about portraits. And when I portrait people, I focus mostly on their eyes, even if their eyes are shut. I'm really interested in eyes. They fascinate me. I think they are very attractive and very interesting. And they also say, or you know the saying, the eyes are the windows to your soul. And that's the reason I wanted to do a project that is just about eyes. To get some inspiration, I went with my girlfriend to a booth in a shopping center where they take pictures of your iris. And I really thought the result was very interesting. But I wanted to go closer. I wanted to see more from the eyes. So that's the reason I bought the Laowa 25mm ultra macro lens. This lens is very similar to the Canon MP65. And focusing with these lenses, if you ever worked with a lens like that, is very, very tough. You don't even can manual focus the lens. You need a macro focusing rail to focus that lens. And yeah, to take pictures of eyes, I built some kind of headrest and also some kind of focusing station that had like a very steady tripod. It had also like a table with a big screen so I can focus a little bit easier. At some point I saw that one focusing rail will not be enough. That's the reason I built some kind of Frankenstein, how you want to call it, focusing rail monster? No, I don't know, something like that. That combined a hydraulic panning clamp, multiple macro focusing rails, and a linear transition stage that moves like 0.25mm on every turn. And still, focusing was crazy difficult because the iris moves a lot at this magnification. And also every little movement of the tripod was an issue, so I even put some weight on the tripod so it doesn't move. But at some point I figured it out. But I figured it out does not mean it was easy. It took me like half an hour to take a good image of an eye. So let me show you now some of my favorite images, and I would love to read in the comments what you think about them. Maybe they remind you about something else. Let's see. And there's one more thing. I really would like to do a collab with an eye doctor to work together on these images. So if there is an eye doctor somewhere who is interested to do that, just contact me, please. Yeah, now enjoy the images, guys. I'm really happy how these turned out. Some of them I think look like landscapes or mountains. And if you want to have a signed fine art print of them, contact me directly. And for other prints, I will put a link down in the description. And if you are close to Vienna and you have maybe some kind of very special iris or a two-colored iris or a very special iris shape, just let me know. and maybe we can figure out something together. So I take a picture of your iris. So there were no wet plate portraits today, right? But I still think I could show you something unique you may not have seen before. And now at the end of the video, like always, I'll be back, guys.